Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have another haul. I know, girls been being bad, but when makers, my favorite makers, have sales or put out new releases or anything like that, y'all, they got my attention. So, one of my favorites, BravesDiva Polish, re-released some polishes, released some new polishes, and all that jazz. So I had to go check it out. Now I can't remember what's what and what's in what collection or nothing. I can't tell you any of that. All I know is if you got in on her Black Pumpkin sale, instead of doing a Black Friday sale, she did a Black Pumpkin sale. It was a 24-hour sale, and I hopped on it. I got everything that I wanted. And she sent a bonus polish, and this is a gorgeous topper that, let's just go ahead and talk about that one real quick. This one is You Absolute Pinecone, and it is a gorgeous topper. And it looks like it's in a cloudy base, but it's not going to be cloudy on the nail. What it is they use this base to help keep the suspension of the glitters and stuff to where they don't all go to the bottom and you have to shake the mess out of it to open it every time. So I'm going to be showing this one over some of the other ones when I swatch them. But let's get to packing because I got quite a few of them to do. This one is called Ken Griffey Jr. Mints. Gorgeous. And then Marlins and Mermaids. Next up is Ed, Dick, and Andy. Then I have Nino. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Then, this one's so cute. My Little Peanut. Digging on that. This gorgeous cream, I can't wait to water marble with this, is 5 Tool Player. Beautiful bright blue cream. And then we have Kaleidoscope Eyes. Gorgeous. And another thing is BravesDiva puts so much attention to detail. I love her stickers, and I love that when you're holding the bottle like this and you flip it up, the name is right there on the bottom. You don't have to go fiddling and turning it around. Free agent. Had to have this one. Can't believe I didn't already have this one. And then this last one is Ron Gant Was Safe. Gorgeous. So I'm going to break out a swatch wheel and we're going to swatch these. Alrighty, let's get to swatching. This first one here is Nino. Love, that's such a pretty coppery orange with hollow. So that is Nino. And then we have Ed, Dick, and Andy, which looks like it could be a topper, but I would probably wear this one. We'll see how it looks on 2 or maybe 3 coats, because that's gorgeous. Now this next one's probably a topper. It's Marlins and Mermaids, but we're going to see what it looks like all on its own. And I'm doing these on this white, wheel, so this is what they would look like over white, and I think that's gorgeous. Love, love it. And then we have Ken Griffey Jr. Mints. I'm loving that color. That is so pretty. Ooh wee. Much more opaque than I thought it was going to be. Alright. And then, My Little Peanut. So excited about this one. Oh, that's going to look so pretty with some stamping over it. I mean, it's pretty all on its own, but dang, I just got so many ideas rolling in my head. See? Gorgeous. And then 5 Tool Player. Her cream's water marble like a dream. I can't wait to use this one. And water marble. And look how that's self-leveled. Gorgeous. And then Kaleidoscope Eyes. Ooh. Oh, wow. You guys know I love my pinks. And look at all that yummy goodness in there. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I'm so glad I got that. And then next is Free Agent, which is almost white, but it's got like a little touch of gray in it. And I love polishes like this, because sometimes you're just not wanting that stark white. Ooh, yes, nice and creamy, beautiful. And then finally we've got Ron Gant with Safe. Sorry, I keep moving the swatch wheel around. I'm sorry. So Ron Gant was Safe. Ooh. Oh, I didn't expect that. This has got all kinds of little shimmers and stuff in it. Oh, wow. I can't wait to see the second coat on that. Oh. Yes. Okay, back to Nino. Ooh. 2 coats makes that just scream. Oh, it's like one of those blood oranges or something. Oh my goodness. And then Ed, Dick, and Andy. Sorry, I'm having to reach behind. I have so many of them lined up here that they're kind of hard to get to. So that's 2 coats of that. So that would look just insanely gorgeous over white, or like that Free Agent over here, that gray cream. Ooh wee. Gorgeous. So Ed, Dick, and Andy. And then Marlins and Mermaids. Oh, that's just so dainty and pretty. See, I would totally wear that just like that. Oh, that is such a gorgeous. Oh yeah, named perfectly. And then we have Ken Griffey Jr. mints. Ooh, Kay Lila would love this one. Look at that. Oh yes. And then My Little Peanut. Oh, that's so pretty. Yes. And then 5 Tool Player. Smooth as butter. Telling you. And just so y'all know, Miss Tara does love me from, BravesDiva Polish. But I did buy these. These were not sent for PR or anything. So I just want to throw that out there. I don't want y'all thinking, oh, she'd say anything. But no, seriously. Always tell it like I see it. Sorry. Excuse me. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my. Kaleidoscope eyes. Well, y'all could tell me if it was gorgeous if I would stay in frame. Look at that. So pretty. I am going to do a second coat of Free Agent, although I don't really think it needs it. We're just going to do it anyway. Now, I have not forgot about this bonus polish over here. I'm going to wait and let some of these dry, and then I'm going to show y'all what that looks like. So, Free Agent, it's leveling out beautifully. And then Ron Gant was Safe. This one doesn't look, in the bottle, I wasn't expecting for it to look like this. And I might do a third coat on this one. Oh, that is just, wow. Wow. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to let these dry. I'm going to add a couple of colors over here so that I can demo this topper here, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm going to use this You Absolute Pinecone over the blue, which is 5 Tool Player, Free Agent, and then I did a black nail and a green nail, and the black is Game Over by BravesDiva, and then this dark green is called Shady Pines from BravesDiva. That's the old packaging. But we're going to give this a go. So here we go with You Absolute Pine Cone. Oh, it looks really pretty over the blue. I'm loving that. And then, how about, let's see what it looks like over Free Agent. And this is just one coat. Look how, I mean, evenly dispersed and gorgeous that is. Oops, over one coat. Gorgeous. Alright. Then, over a black cream, or in this case, Game Over. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's just stunning. Oh, yeah. Let me move it around for you. Look at that. Oh, so gorgeous. And then finally over Shady Pines. Look. Y'all talk about not liking those funky colors like I like. Look at what that does to that. Insane. Okay, so I will leave a link to BravesDiva Polish down below if you'd like to go check it out. She's the queen of creams, and she is coming out with some amazing stuff. I've got a lot of her polishes, and I adore all of them. They're just crazy cool. So that is it for me today. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about these, and I will talk to you later. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.